192 times, nigga. Big up brother God sound shit. Fuck out of here.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
And you will know my name is the Lord.
Life gave me lemons, made lemonade with the limelight. Since LimeWire, niggas knew I'm nice. Still get it from the sauce, fiend gave the work 5 mics. Ain't tripping about the cost, if it's pure then we alright.
As long as it's pure, we good, nigga.
20 bands and 20s in the jam spot. Lawyer wanted 10, they had 8, still left your man short. You ain't put $1 on his books or hit the dance floor. His little sister lied, you niggas caught you with your pants off. Karma, dog, I swear this game is slicker than armor roll. Nigga touch one of mine and we kill it all involved. We gon' make it hot like a Molotov, we don't call the law. Niggas falling off, I was up just in front the corner store. Dropped 100 to the O's and brought it all back, this all facts. Beam on the 40, lit up your ball cap, this raw smack. Before rap, I was juggling dog packs. Long as this work out, then we off that. Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
It's just me and the Brodies. We the businessmen, who you kidding? They watching the movement. Thank the Lord that you bearing witness. Umbrella Collective and the Niners, but we the biggest, the realest that's in it. Hear the talking and we can dig it. This a 9 to better. Shit is brutal, soft as menudo. Send you off to Pluto. Get it back and toss it like judo. I hit it with the cut, the work is MMA. Hammer banging, put you in my sights and blow your head away. Little bitch, rolling up my weed, she look like Ella May. Fiend singing to me, nodding off, she look like Etta James. Stepchild dope, I pick it up and get it sent away. Meditate and start to manifest it on a better play. Go ahead and buy a gun so you can try your luck.
Try it.
Yeah, them numbers lower if you buy enough.
Buy more.
You shitting on the blow so they don't buy your
They don't
stuff.
buy it.
Showing me your hand, but I don't buy your
Can
bluff.
I kick it?